VEV have been contracted by KCC to install 6 high-speed pantographs across their Fastrack network. So that's 6 high-speed pantographs supporting 28 electric buses covering the Kent Fastrack system. Every time the buses turn up at one of these bus stops where we have a pantograph installed, it will take on some charge. And in fact, the battery can be completely charged to full in only 6 minutes.
We will stop once a trip, once a rounder, which means we'll go to Dartford, back here, and then it will charge, and it takes a maximum of 5 minutes to 85%, and then you're good to go again. It's so much more comfortable. You haven't got a diesel engine, you know, all that noise and vibration you feel. These are smooth and they glide along and they stop easily, and passengers just love them.
Absolutely brilliant. The more comfortable, more room in them and everything.
If you look back to the steam age of engines, of trains, there's always been an evolution of the next machinery that is going to power transportation. And while diesel engines have serviced us a long time, the new kid on the block is electric. It's really looking at the new frontier of cheaper, more affordable, more reliable bus network.
What really stood out to us in our tendering process for onboarding a supplier is the passion and the expertise that the team had. The calmness and the will to just find those solutions has just been fantastic to witness, and we're really pleased to be working alongside VEV.